Hi, in this video, I will show you how to increase a limit on Cash App. To increase your Cash App limits, you need to verify your account. Once verified, Cash App will increase both your sending and receiving limits. Here's a step-by-step guide. Number one, open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device and go to the home screen. Number two, go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Look for limits and verify your account. Scroll down and look for the personal section. Enter your full name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your Social Security number, SSN, when prompted. Cash App may also request additional information like a photo of your ID to verify your identity. Number four, wait for approval. Once you've submitted the information, Cash App will process the request. Approval is typically quick, but it may take a day or two in some cases. Cash App limits after verification. Sending. Verified accounts can send up to $7,500 per week. Receiving. There's no limit to how much money you can receive once your account is verified. For users who want even higher limits, contacting Cash App support directly through the app may be an option. They can provide further guidance on increasing limits based on your account activity. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.